vlog from the great Sunshine State of Florida, and I'm here at the FAMU campus tonight. A MC for the first robotics competition. This is high schoolers competing at a high level with robots. I'll show you guys some of the robots here before they got to go through pre-inspection, and then also they have to make sure they're good for the competition. I'm also going to show you guys some of the competition, what they have to do, and the field and everything like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some of the robots. And remember, these are high schoolers, so these are going to be the future builders and engineering electrical people of our future generations. So if this is your first time or not even first time checking out the channel, definitely tap that subscribe button down below, hit the bell icon, ding, like, share, subscribe. This is the radioactive roaches. I think these guys are local to me. Wildcat. Got this one. Woo. High schoolers. They got theirs covered up. Top secret. Don't even look at it. They all have a team name, team number, and they could go to Worlds depending on how they do. Oh man, this one's top secret, guys. We can't see what's going on, but see, look at that. We're taking a sneak peek. Can't say I didn't show you guys anything. Also, some teams are more funded than other teams, and sometimes, you know, these are their first competition, so they're just getting their feet wet. At least they're here. They may not have all the resources like some other teams do, but you never know. The underdog sometime win. Guys, I'm here at the inaugural FAMU first robotics competition. Here, historically, it's going to be the first one at the HBCU to include diversity and inclusion of not only minorities but also minority women in STEM programs. So I'm going to be the voice in this Tallahassee region, and I hope to, you know, enlighten all people and get people involved in STEM that hadn't been in STEM, especially.
Now queuing matches 4.
Right here is one of the rookie teams, mostly all female teams out of New Orleans, Louisiana, and this is their robot. What's the name of you guys' robot?
Bandit.
Bandit. Smokey and the Bandit. Women in STEM. Far side, get the one. guys did it. You said you would. What you got to say? Very proud? All right.
Last second.
Congrats.
Thank you. I don't think it counts.
All right, drivers up by door.
Next to Voodoo Voltage, we have team 4562.
Representing